In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a video file as a QR code so other people can scan the QR and then view or download the video. So here I have a video recording on my desktop. Let's say, for example, you've created the video already and you've already got the video on your computer. Now, the best way that you can share it is by opening up a web browser and then going to Google. If you're on Google and you're already signed in to a Google account, you can go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner and scroll down and find Drive. I've got Google Drive here because I use it often, but you may need to scroll down and find it. Once you're on Google Drive, if you've never used it before, don't worry, because all you need to do is go to New, click File Upload, then go ahead and find your video file, and then click Open. You'll then see it start to upload in the bottom right hand corner, and what you can do is you can go on this side panel and go to Recent, and then you'll see your video. Just wait for it to upload and then refresh the page. So here we can see that it's uploaded. We can then right click on this video file, you can click Share, and then click Share again. If you want this to be open to anyone that scans the QR, change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link, and then go ahead and click Copy Link. Now you've got the link copied, we need to create the QR code. You can open up a new tab and go to Google and just type in QR code generator. I like to use this one here, QR-code-generator, but you can use any of these. I've tried most of them. They all do the same thing. Go ahead and enter in your link and then choose a frame for the QR. If you just want the standard QR, that is also fine. You don't have to select one. You can upload a logo and change the color if necessary. If you just want the simple QR code, you can just simply download this as a PNG, EPS, SVG, or a JPEG image. Then go ahead and sign up for a free account or just sign up with your Google account you've already got signed in. This may vary depending on what website you used, but if you use the same one, once you've signed in, you can then click Download PNG. And here we go, here we have our QR code in the downloads. Now when anyone scans this QR code, it's going to go to Google Drive, where they're then going to be able to see the video file and they're going to be able to download it. Do give it a couple of minutes for it to be processed, but then they'll be able to see it and download it to their computer.